Nationality and registration marks. Assignment of nationality common marks. The International Telecommunications Union assigns the nationality mark to the state of registry. The state informs ICAO of the nationality mark. Common marks are assigned by the International Telecommunications Union to ICAO, and the common mark is informed to the Common Mark Registering Authority. Golf Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta. Golf is the nationality mark. Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta is the registration mark. The registration mark is assigned by the state of registry or the Common Mark Registering Authority. For example, Golf Lima Uniform Charlie Kilo, Delta Echo Lima Victor Charlie, November 8331 Sierra, Cherokee X-Ray Yankee Alpha Bravo Charlie, Easy Golf Alpha Bravo Charlie Delta are abbreviated to Golf Charlie Kilo, Delta Victor Charlie, November 31 Sierra, Cherokee Bravo Charlie, Easy Charlie Delta. Forbidden registration marks. When letters are used for the registration mark, combinations shall not be used which might be confused with urgent or distress signals. For example, Q codes, SOS, XXX, PAN or TTT.